What's good, everybody? It is Joe T-Wold from Outdoor Tech, and today we are going to be doing a little bit of a Lehigh River smallmouth fishing expedition here with the 2 kayaks in the back. I don't know if you could see them in the back, but they're in the back. I'm taking my dad's truck to the river, so that's always nice, just driving the truck. I love it. It is Sunday, September 29th, 2019, and we are in the first week of fall here in Pennsylvania. It is 75 degrees, so it's kind of hot for this time of year, but whatever. What are you gonna do about it? I'm fishing with my friend Gavin. He's my neighbor. We've been pretty much lifelong friends, so hopefully me or him, Gavin and I, can hook up on a smallmouth. We'll see. I mean, being that the river is super low, we're gonna be definitely targeting the smallmouth that are in the pools, and I think we'll have some success. I'm using a size 1 Blue Fox spinner, and I'm also, on my other rod, I'll have a little like whopper plopper, size 75 or 90, depending on what I feel like throwing simply. I'm curious to get on the river. I haven't been on the river, and my life has been dedicated to soccer, so I've been very inactive on just YouTube and just outdoor tech in general. So I'm hoping that with this fall, I'll be able to produce hunting videos, maybe even like geese videos. I don't know, we'll see. And I also want to catch a muskie. I want to get a muskie. I want to just get some solid bass in, and I want to get a nice 8-point buck. That's the goal for fall for outdoor tech. And obviously within the process, I'm going to be vlogging more. I'm going to be producing more YouTube videos. I really want to make this a passion of mine. I mean, I love what I do, and hopefully I can produce solid videos for you guys. I mean, I have the equipment now, and the only thing that's stopping me is just obviously just high school stuff, you know, like sports, homework, academics, and college. I'm trying to go to college, so it's been busy lately, but like I said, it's Sunday right now, and I'm just going to be producing a little video with my friend. We're going to be catching smallmouth bass in the Lehigh River. Hopefully it's a successful video, and I'll also be bringing my drone, which is cool. I got a DJI Mavic Air, and I'm just hoping that we could get some super cool clips, make it unique, and hopefully we'll have some success on the water, you know? It's all about just having fun and just catching fish, so hopefully I could produce a nice solid video for you guys, and just let me know in the comments if you guys have any suggestions, ideas for me to produce, and I'll definitely be more than happy to produce some content for you guys. So for the lures, we are using, like I said, the Blue Fox size 1 spinner. It's just like a rooster tail pretty much, and then the other one is, I forget what kind of River to Sea. Is it? Yeah, River to Sea, and it's just a crawfish using for the river. And I got the nice Abu Garcia reel, Fate 13 series rod, and this is just Cabela's. I don't even know, I am 8. And here's the Lehigh River. It is super shallow. I mean, obviously it's deeper in other parts, but just to give you a little depth comparison, I mean, you can see the entire contour of the bottom here. And I have the nice LL Bean Manatee kayak. Gavin has a good old Pelican. Gets him in the water, man. Gets him in the water. Gavin, you excited to get on the river today?
Very excited. Be interested to see how it goes. I mean, it's a little shallow, but should be good.
He's looking for his
bad day on the water is better than a good day at home, you know?
Goddamn truth, man. So let's get on the water. Let's get it. I know that there is a deep hole over here, so hopefully we can have some luck in this area. Looks pretty promising. I mean, anything that's deeper than more than 12 inches is a good spot. Hopefully somewhere in here we can hook up on some more. I'm still going for the first smallie of the day, but we're in a good spot. I finally saw some smallmouth moving below my kayak. I had a bite. I'm hooked. I don't think it's a big one, but it is a smallmouth, so that's good news. Oh, it's a pickerel. Yeah. same spot where I hooked up on my first fish. Hooked again. Let's see what kind is it. Hey, Smallie. No. Is it? Oh, it's a rock bass. What the hell, bro? It's a nice one. Alright, hopefully this heavier and dual-wheeled spinner is going to get the job done. Immediately, first cast. Not a big one though. Alright, can we somehow land this? What? Alright, I think we were successful. So, here's our Smallie. I'll try to get in the sun so that y'all can see it better. So, here it is. This is the third fish. The first one was a pickerel. The second one was a rock bass, and this one is a nice little smallmouth. I mean, this is the average size for them in a Lehigh. I'm immediately just gonna release him. Here he goes. First cast with the MEP spinner. It's a heavier spinner and it's also a double bladed, so I think that was definitely the juice. I think my original, the Blue Fox spinner, like, I think the problem was that it was a lot lighter and it wasn't as heavy as what I'm using now. So like, I think the Smallies, I think they're more on the bottom of the floor. So I think now I'm gonna be able to target them a little bit better. Let's turn this kayak around and let's get back to it. Gavin, I think a nice one. Gavin, yeah. I think this is a nice Smallie, dude. Oh. I don't know, it's fighting good. I'm not gonna be cocky. Moving the kayak around. Woo! Oh, what the hell? It's not even that big. I don't know, it's not that big, but it's fighting like a motherfucker. Oh my God, did I just say that? Oh, that's a solid one though. It's a slab. Gavin, could you do the honors? Wow. They fight so much harder than largemouth. Solid. This is solid. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. Here he is, guys. My bad. Here, can you just...
I don't want to be responsible in case it...
Yeah. That was...
They fought.
Yeah. Take a photo of me then with this gun. Look at him, right? Here he is. I hooked him perfectly. I have a terrible setup too. This is 17-pound fluorocarbon on a jig head. I mean, I could barely cast, but I got him done. I was just jigging right at the bottom, and that's how they were biting. They're biting the bottom. Here, we gotta go in the sun too. Here he is again. I would say, I mean, how many inches do you think this is?
About 12, maybe more.
I would say 12 to 15, just to be safe. Nice little release on a guy. There you go. Bronze backs, baby. Bronzy for days.